So refractometry. Today we will see the instrumentation in Abetz refractometer. So we will discuss the refractive index. It is defined as the ratio of velocity of light in air to the velocity of light in medium. Suppose when a ray is pass through air medium and here in liquid medium, so refractive index, it is denoted by an R, is equal to velocity of air divided by velocity of liquid. So according to Snell's law, velocity is measured by angle sin theta. So sin theta in air medium and sin theta is in liquid medium. So we calculate the velocity of this liquid, refractive index of this liquid. So refractive index are calculated or measured by Abetz refractometer instrument. In this refractometer instruments, there are placed two prism. Here place the two prism. First illuminating prism and other is the refracting prism. Here when a beam of light is passed to this mirror, and this mirror is reflected light on the illuminating prism. Illuminating prism is the rough source. So there are various from the rough sources of illuminating prism, there is a scattering of light on the all areas from this prism, and we place a drop of sample between these two prism. Here a small gap, gap present. So when we put the drop of sample between these two prism, so like this is the illuminating prism and this is the refractory prism. Here the small gap between this two prism, we place a drop of sample liquid between this two prism. Then there sees a refraction when light is passed. So as here we see the refraction rays. So here the light is refracted from this prism to this side. Here this is present the eyepiece. So we measure the refraction of light by this is the Abetz refractometer. So by this eyepiece we measure the angle. Here this is the scale we found in measuring the angle in the refractometer. Here one point is majorly pointed. There is a temperature constant or a controlled temperature between the all sample. So if we see like this structure, this is known as the separatics. So this shown as we not measure properly. If a dark color is on this half side, so this is the correct measuring. So we take a reading in that point where the two phase are equally distributed. Suppose bright, dark and plain images. So in this position we measure the angle or reading from this scale. So there are various refractive indexes like methanol at 25 degrees Celsius 1.326, acetone at 25 degrees Celsius 1.357, This is the standard angle of refraction. Benzene 1.498, acetic acid 1.370. So we measure the water content in the liquid sample. Suppose for measuring or analyze any sample, we take standard sample. Suppose we can measure the concentration of glycerol. So for measuring the concentration of glycerol, first we make the standard this is our unknown sample of glycerol. We measure or detect the concentration of this glycerol. For this detection, we take a standard quantity of 1% glycerol, 2% glycerol, 3% glycerol, 4% glycerol and 5% glycerol sample and our unknown sample. So we measure the reading from this scale. It is found 1.3420, 1.3425, suppose 1.3430, 1.3440, 1.3442, and unknown it is found at 1.33428. Suppose this is the unknown reading. Next we will bigraph concentration on x-axis and refractive index on y-axis. So we put on 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%, 5% and 6%. Here we put a standard reading. So for 1%, 2%, 3% we got this line, and for unknown, suppose 1.328, this is unknown. So we measure the unknown sample by this refractometer instrument. So this instrument, it is the very important for organic chemistry and other.